In 7 years of trading options, I have realized that the main thing is not to make so many mistakes. In 2025, with the advent of neural networks, the quality of your trades can be as good as the tops on option. I will show you a free bot with signals that you will definitely not make mistakes with. So if you are ready for a boring but reliable profit, let's get started. Before we start, I would like to just show you the statistics of these signals that we are going to trade today. Winrate 85, 80, 73, 80%. This is very high, and you can find these statistics in the open channel. So we just need to go to the bot. I will leave the link in the description and click the button to enable signals and then confirm the receipt of a signal within 2 hours. Respectively, if within the next 2 hours on the market will be conditions that correspond to this trading advisor, the robot will send us a signal that looks like this, or there are signals for 5 minutes, and this is how the results of signals look like. So we literally 8 minutes later we get a signal. So we copy the name of the asset, quickly paste it on the platform. Time of the trade, we have 5 minutes, 200, and the signal we had was on the downside. All this is done very quickly in order to maximize your result and the result of the robot coincide. That is, we have trades for 15 minutes and then trades for 5 minutes. We need to react as quickly as possible. First of all, your entry point depends on it. Because the market is volatile. So you can conditionally 10, 20 point higher or lower. So the trade ends because of the result can be different if the trade, for example, is not very confident. So be sure to include notifications here, and you can also get instructions for trading on signals. It's very simple, and then wait for the signal and open the trade. So guys, in 20 seconds, we will get the first result. As you can see, the trade, we have a very confident 20 pips of difference. Well, on this currency pair is a big enough difference. Robot has already sent us a positive result. This is how the signal report looks like, and in 5 seconds we will earn with you 168 net. So everything is great. We are waiting for the next signals. Next we get another signal. I also quickly copy the name of the asset. I'm going to search. So we have a signal for 5 minutes on the downside. So do not waste time. Set yourself a timer in advance. That is the time frame of one trade and 5 and the amount of your trade. My trade amount is currently 2% of my balance. For me, it means that I do not risk anything. I can even, in case, the signal is unprofitable, make, for example, a catch up. Increase the bet amount up to 400 and open another trade on the signal. All because I have a large balance and a small amount of trade relative to my balance. But nevertheless, if I close at least 5 trades a day and plus, I will have already earned about 700, 800. And this is a very good result for me for a whole day of trading. Okay guys, we have a second trade closing in 5 seconds. On the signal, honestly, it looks pretty good too. Here is a very good pattern of technical analysis. I have traded it more than once in my trading videos, so I do not know for what reason the robot sent the signal, but it worked itself out. So the signal is positive, and that's nothing short of exciting. So we also earn 154 on top. The total profit for trading on signals is now over 300. So another signal comes to us. Let's follow the same strategy. Just copy the name of the asset, open the trade as fast as possible, and wait for the result. 5 minutes, Let's turn on the S15 chart to make it more interesting to watch and wait. Wow, friends, look at what a solid trade we have. We have 31 pips here, which is actually a lot for this currency pair. 308 we are taking because I've increased the trade amount to 400. So we are waiting for the next signal. Okay, we are getting another signal. Repeat all the same actions. So as I said, we will not learn anything new today. The strategy and way of making is as boring and monotonous as possible. But trust me, if you are a beginner and want fast and reliable results, this is probably one of the few options I can offer you. So once again, all links will be in the description. If you want to test this robot for free, you can test it on any broker, even on a demo account. Just go, use it, and be sure to write me your reviews and feedback. It is extremely important to me. So we get another signal again on the upside on the euro dollar. Let's try to copy it as well. Open the trade, and here I guess we do it this way, and here we will have the euro dollar chart open, and here we will open the previous chart and see what comes out of these two signals. That's even interesting. So friends, we have a trade on this asset close in the plus side, and we made good, but we have problems with the euro. And by the way, another signal came to us for 15 minutes, but I couldn't copy it. Well friends, I am quite satisfied with the result obtained today. Yes, it is, a shame that, for the last trade on the euro dollar, which we had in minus, I did not double the amount of the bet and open again. Although, according to the rules of robots, could do it. We have 12,000 in our balance today. This means that plus 600 I earned just by trading on AI robot signals. Each of you can test them absolutely free, absolutely on any platform, even on a demo account. Just follow the link from the description and start practicing today. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.